All right, listeners, ready for another deep dive?
Yeah, looking forward to this one.
This time we're diving into Hallotrope.
Hallotrope, okay.
They're a company that's, well, they're aiming to really kind of shake up the battery industry.
Interesting.
And we're going to be taking all of our information from this article. It's titled Hallotrope, Gearing Up for Commercial Graphene Production.
Okay.
And so, people might be wondering, what is so special about Hallotrope?
Right.
What's the big deal? Imagine this, okay?
Okay.
A U.S. company
Mm-hmm.
using hemp
Okay.
to create a material that could potentially outperform the batteries we rely on every single day.
Wow.
I mean,
that's impressive.
That's Hallotrope in a nutshell. And they're working hard to make this happen.
So they're not just like a pipe dream.
No, they're not just like a, fly-by-night operation.
Right.
These guys are serious.
Oh, okay.
And one of the things that I think is fascinating about them is they're not just starting out.
Oh, really?
They've already managed to snag a pretty massive purchase order from the Wisconsin Battery Company.
Okay.
You know them as WinBat.
WinBat. Yeah.
And we're talking about a deal for 7.2 million batteries.
Per month.
Per month.
Wow.
Starting in 2025.
Okay, so that's coming up pretty quick.
It is. Yeah, so, this tells us that,
They're not messing around.
No, they're past the initial research phase.
Yeah.
Like, they're gearing up for serious production.
That's really impressive.
Yeah, 7.2 million batteries a month. That's a huge leap.
Huge.
But it's not just about the quantity, right?
Right.
I mean, what makes their batteries so special?
That's the key question, right?
Yeah, what makes them stand out from all the rest?
Yeah, what is it?
It comes down to the material they're using.
Okay.
And it's called hemp-derived graphene.
Hemp-derived graphene?
Yeah.
So is that like regular graphene or is it different?
Graphene itself is already known for its, incredible properties.
Oh, it's our graphene, yeah.
But the way that Hallotrope is producing it from hemp is what makes this so unique.
Got it.
And their biographene delivers higher energy density.
Higher energy density.
Than the traditional graphite that's used in most batteries.
So what does that mean exactly?
Like, what does higher energy density mean for, like, the average person?
Yeah, like, break it down for me.
Okay, so simply put, means you can pack more power into the same size battery.
Oh, I see.
So think about it this way, okay? Your phone staying charged for longer.
Okay.
Your electric car going further.
Wow.
On a single charge.
So it's like...
This could be a game changer.
Yeah.
For how we use and rely on batteries.
Totally.
I mean, can you imagine?
I mean, that would be fantastic.
Yes.
Yeah, who wouldn't want that?
But how do we know this isn't just hype?
Right, because we see a lot of that in the battery industry.
Yeah, exactly.
Lots of big promises.
How do we know that this hemp-based graphene actually lives up to the hype?
That's the big question.
Is there proof?
Yeah. Is there any actual evidence?
Well, that's the exciting part.
Oh.
Their claims are not just, thin air.
Okay.
They're not just making this stuff up.
Right.
Leading experts in the field.
Okay, so like who?
People like Dr. Deanne Kwa.
Okay.
From the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee.
All right.
And Dr. Sheldon Shih.
Okay.
From the University of North Texas.
Big names.
They've conducted independent research.
Oh, wow.
And they have validated Hallotrope's findings.
So it's legit.
Yeah. So this adds, a significant level of credibility.
Absolutely.
To what Hallotrope is doing.
It's huge.
So we've got the science.
Yeah.
We've got the purchase order.
Check and check.
And the experts are backing them.
So what's next?
What's next for Hallotrope?
Yeah, what's the next step?
Well, scaling up production.
Okay.
To meet that demand from WinBat.
7.2 million batteries a month, remember?
Yeah. That's the next big hurdle.
Right.
And to do that, they're seeking a $550,000 investment.
Okay, so they need some cash.
They need some cash to really kick things into high gear.
That makes sense.
They're at a critical point right now.
Yeah.
Where they need to move from, like, pilot production to full-scale commercialization.
The big leagues.
Exactly.
All right, so let's dive a little deeper into this hemp-based graphene. So basically it means that it's highly porous.
Okay.
With a lot of tiny holes.
Okay.
So think of it like a sponge.
Okay, a sponge.
Yeah, with countless microscopic channels.
So lots of little holes.
Lots of little holes. And it's formed into these tiny structures called carbon nanotubes.
Carbon nanotube.
Yeah, and this unique structure gives it an incredibly large surface area.
Okay.
Which is really important for storing and releasing energy efficiently.
So the more surface area, the better.
Exactly. More surface area means more room for energy storage.
Oh, okay.
Which leads to longer lasting batteries. That makes sense.
So are batteries the only thing that this hemp graphene can be used for?
That's a good question.
Or is there other stuff?
Yeah, what else can we use this stuff for?
Definitely not just batteries.
Okay, good.
I mean, this stuff is versatile.
Oh, wow.
We're talking potential applications in everything.
Like what? Give me some examples.
From hearing aids,
Okay.
power tools,
Interesting.
electric scooters,
Wow.
and even electric vehicles.
So it's not just about replacing existing batteries. It's about new possibilities.
Yeah, it's about opening up new possibilities, pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
That's really exciting.
Yeah, and let's not forget about the sustainability angle here.
Right.
Using hemp as the source material
Yeah,
has got to be a big win for the environment.
definitely.
I mean, traditional graphite mining can have a really significant environmental impact.
Yeah, it's not great.
Deforestation,
Mm-hmm.
habitat destruction.
Yeah, all the bad stuff.
Hallotrope's approach offers a much greener alternative.
I like it.
And by focusing on U.S.-sourced hemp, they're also promoting local agriculture
Right.
and reducing reliance on foreign supply chains.
Good for the economy.
Exactly.
So it's a win-win.
It really is.
All right, so let's sum this all up.
Okay.
What have we learned today?
Hallotrope is on the verge of something really incredible.
Okay.
They're using this revolutionary hemp-derived graphene to create batteries that are not only more powerful
Okay.
and more efficient, but also more sustainable.
Check and check.
And this could have massive implications for everything,
Yeah.
from consumer electronics
Yeah.
to the future of transportation.
It's pretty amazing.
It really is.
It makes you think,
Yeah.
like, could hemp be the key?
To a more sustainable future.
Yeah, a more sustainable and energy-independent future?
What other innovations are out there
Yeah.
just waiting to be discovered?
Right.
I mean, Hallotrope's journey is really just one example of how science and sustainability can come together
Absolutely.
to create real-world solutions.
I love it.
And on that note,
Okay.
I think we're going to wrap up this deep dive.
Okay, sounds good.
We've covered a lot of ground,
Yeah, we have.
but it's clear that Hallotrope is a company to watch.
Definitely a company to watch.
It'll be fascinating to see how they continue to develop this technology
Yeah.
and what kind of impact it has on the world.
I agree. I can't wait to see what the future holds for them.
Me too.
All right, well, that was a good one.
Thanks for joining me.
My pleasure.
And to all our listeners out there,
Yeah.
thanks for tuning in
We'll see you next time.
to the Deep Dive.
All right.
Catch you later.
See ya.